Well, happy Saturday, my ladies and my gents. Uh, Today I'm just going to give a quick heads up, quick done up. The 1950 Ford Crestline Victoria from Lindberg, 1997 edition, is done. I finished it. I can see a lot of stuff that I really could do better with, but it's done. I'm just going on the shelf, and that's where it's sitting. I thought about maybe making, if it came out good enough, I was going to see if I could, well, I don't know, maybe take it to Denver here in March and maybe put it into the show there as a box stock. Not taking this one. It looks good on the shelf, but it's not going to look good in a contest. So, but anyway, it is done. It looks decent. Not that great, not my best effort, but it is done. So, yeah, didn't really want to put the spotlights on it, but there were holes there and I didn't want to fill them in. So, oh, what the heck. Interestingly, the chrome on this, you can kind of see a little bit, is black plastic. You can see my finger here. That's the spotlight handle. I just simply scraped the chrome off and left it plain. And it gave it a nice flat black for the spotlight handle. Remember some of the stuff that I did. Front end turned out looking pretty good. I for the front, I used Tamiya clear orange and coated front and back, and then I put a dabble of the orange on the plastic, and then just use that to glue them in. For the windows or the headlights, I used some Tamiya clear, coated it, and then dropped the headlights into the bezel. So, and of course, whoops, got the decal. 1997 decals. Yeah, I had a couple of them shatter on me that I couldn't use. Engine bay, it's all nice and finished. Talked about how I had problems getting that in there. I did like the chrome being actual chrome pieces, and things just didn't quite work out to get it real pretty, but it came out. Let's see, looking at the Ford decal, that's not quite centered. Yeah, I kind of started getting a little, okay, let's get this thing done. So, but all in all, for a shelf piece, it's a pretty enough. Could I have done better? Oh yeah. Do I see my mistakes? Oh yeah. But sitting up on the shelf, it'll look nice. So, little short video today. Tomorrow, this afternoon, I should say, I'm going to start on my next project, the AMT Round 2 1950 Chevy 3100 pickup. And we'll talk about just kind of what all I'm going to be doing with it, and plotting and planning. And I'm going to record some of that right after I finish with this, but I'm not going to do anything with it until tomorrow because I got work to do, and then I'm going to do an update after I get that done and put that all together, and then I'm going to, and yeah. So anyway, be sure and go check out, you can see some of the stuff I got here, vcgresins.com. Be sure and check them out. New stuff comes out on a semi-regular basis. Got a lot of cool stuff there. Go check them out. Sign up for the newsletter, and you get notified when you do get some new stuff. And yeah, my next project's going to use a lot of VCG stuff. So, but when you go shopping and you find some stuff that you want to get, be sure and when you go to checkout, use the promo code Jester10, JESTER10. Save you 10% on your order. Does not include shipping, which is all of $6, and which Josh packs quite well for $6. And so, anyway, don't want to keep you very long because I'm going to have a fairly long video tomorrow on Sunday Text Talks. So, I'm going to get out of here. I want to get started on carving. So, B-Tex signing out.